Hey guys, hope you're well. So, I want to show you a quick ad that is on my timeline right now. This is a place local to me in the UK, where I'm now living, and you're not allowed to do before and after pictures on Facebook. You're just not allowed to, so you can't show a transformational image of somebody looking overweight in one image and then they followed your program or this whatever program and now they look all ripped and amazing, or just super slim. If it's, maybe a woman might look slim, but a woman could look ripped as well. This is a really quite interesting take on that. They've used curiosity as a way of getting people to click the ad. Now, I don't know if this is a successful ad, but I thought it was still interesting enough to point out, because you might want to consider this if you're in any kind of industry where before and after images would be useful for your business, for promoting your business. And that doesn't have to be in weight loss. There can be all kinds of reasons for before and after pictures. But these guys, they help people. Looks like they help train people and help them maybe with their diet. Now, the only criticism I would have is this guy is really not the prettiest of specimens. But when you get to here, it's quite a good headline and it's quite a good hook. So you've got basically the curiosity of, well, what does he look like now? Well, if you want to see it, you've got to click that link, right? Now, it's almost unimportant for the purposes of this video what happens on the next page, but the main thing is that you see this and you're thinking, I'm going to see something really interesting to me because I look like this guy. Thankfully, I don't think I do. But I look like this guy, and I'm curious to see how he ended up and if I can do the same thing to get similar kinds of results. So, shall we click the button? Let's click the button. Let's see if this is interesting or not. I genuinely haven't clicked this. So now we see, oh, well, fair play to you, mate. Yeah, still not the prettiest of sights in my opinion, but who am I to judge? You definitely look better now. So, yeah, fair play to Dave, I think he was called. Yeah, a pretty interesting ad. And I would say, because often when you're on your timeline, you'll see ads and you'll think, how is that compliant? How did that, stay advertising for years or whatever, weeks, months? The truth is most ads that aren't compliant survive for a day, a week, maybe a few weeks, and then they get killed by Facebook and then they get their ad account shut down and possibly more. Whereas this is fully compliant. There is no before and after. Yeah, I don't know how Facebook will feel about having before and after on the actual landing page. I've forgotten about that. I can't remember at the top of my head whether or not that's allowed. But definitely in the ads, this is a really interesting way to get around that issue and get people clicking your ads. I would argue that you could make this even less pixelated or less blurred. However, this is why you experiment. Maybe they've split tested this and this was the exact shade of blurriness or grade of blurriness that got them the best results. I mean, judging off the fact that they've only got 29 likes is fairly early in the cycle, but let's have a look at the comments. So there's some funny comments. Yeah, people are, well, the top comments are complimentary. So that gives your ad juice to survive and thrive, and Facebook incentivizes Facebook to show it to more people and to get you results at a better price. So I would say this is a solid idea and worth testing if you have anything that you can show in a kind of before and after format. Hope that helps. Have a good day.